Understanding hanging flower pot. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's not only relevant to gardeners but also to English language learners around the world. The phrase, hanging flower pot. We'll explore what it means, its uses, and why it's a great example of descriptive language in English. Whether you're a green thumb or just curious about language, you're in the right place. A hanging flower pot refers to a container, typically made of plastic, ceramic, or metal, designed to hold soil and plants. What sets it apart is its ability to hang, usually from ceilings, walls, or frames, thanks to hooks, ropes, or chains. This feature not only saves space but also adds a decorative touch to indoor and outdoor areas. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to break down the phrase into its components. Hanging. This word describes something that is suspended from above, indicating that the flower pot is not placed on the ground but dangles in the air. Flower pot, a container used for growing plants. The term flower suggests its common use for flowering plants, but it can hold any type of plant. Hanging flower pots are popular for several reasons. Space saving. They're ideal for small spaces or apartments where floor space is limited. Aesthetic appeal. Hanging plants can beautify any area, adding greenery and color at eye level. Versatility. They can be used indoors or outdoors, in areas like balconies, patios, or windows. Let's see how to use hanging flower pot in sentences. I bought a hanging flower pot to brighten up my balcony. Watering a hanging flower pot can be tricky without spilling water everywhere. We hope this exploration of hanging flower pot has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to consider the beauty and practicality of using hanging planters in your own space. Whether you're enhancing your language skills or your living environment, there's always room to grow. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!